Mastering ISSB. The ISSB's Operational Excellence Framework obsesses over one thing: ruthless efficiency. Where does the primary objective of the ISSB Operational Excellence Framework lie, and what are its key focuses in terms of driving sustained improvements in its overall performance and efficiency? The pursuit of operational excellence is a never-ending journey, and I have had the privilege of walking alongside many organizations as they strive to reach new heights of efficiency and performance. My experiences have taught me that the path to excellence is rarely, if ever, a straight line. It is a winding road, fraught with twists and turns, and it is precisely this uncertainty that makes the journey so fascinating. Let me share with you a case study that has stayed with me to this day. I was working with a large manufacturing firm that had grown exponentially over the years, but was struggling to keep pace with its own success. Production lines were clogged, lead times were stretching, and costs were spiraling out of control. The organization was in dire need of an operational overhaul, and that's where I came in. My first order of business was to immerse myself in the organization's culture and operations. I spent countless hours on the shop floor, observing workflows, speaking with employees, and poring over production data. It quickly became apparent that the root of the problem lay not with the machinery or the materials, but with the people. Silos had formed, communication was stilted, and incentives were misaligned. The solution, I realized, lay not in implementing new technology or streamlining processes, but in fostering a culture of collaboration and empowerment. I worked with the leadership team to develop a new performance metrics system, one that encouraged cross-functional collaboration and rewarded teamwork over individual achievement. I also established regular town hall meetings, where employees could share their concerns and ideas directly with the CEO. But the most crucial step, in my opinion, was the introduction of white space sessions. These were regular meetings, held without agendas or formalities, where employees from different departments could come together to share experiences, ask questions, and learn from one another. It was in these sessions that I witnessed the spark of spontaneity, as individuals from diverse backgrounds began to connect the dots between seemingly disparate problems and solutions. As the weeks went by, something remarkable happened. Production lines began to hum, lead times shrunk, and costs began to decline. But more importantly, the organization's people started to feel empowered to take ownership of their work and to genuinely collaborate with one another. It was as if the entire organization had been infused with a newfound sense of purpose and energy. Throughout the process, I was struck by the power of interpersonal connections. I witnessed how a simple conversation between two employees from different departments could lead to a breakthrough solution, or how a chance encounter between a production manager and a quality control specialist could result in a game-changing innovation. It was clear that the key to operational excellence lay not in re-engineering processes or implementing new software, but in harnessing the collective genius of the organization's people. As I looked around at the transformed organization, I couldn't help but feel a sense of awe at the human capacity for problem-solving. It was as if the entire organization had been awakened to its own potential, and was now driven by a shared sense of purpose and direction. The lessons I learned from this experience have stayed with me to this day. Operational excellence is not about optimizing processes or reducing waste. It is about creating an environment in which people can thrive, collaborate, and innovate. It is about recognizing that the greatest asset of any organization is not its technology or its machines, but its people. And it is about empowering those people to be their best selves, to think creatively, and to drive sustained improvements in performance and efficiency. In the pursuit of operational excellence, there is no silver bullet, no shortcut, and no magic formula. There is only the willingness to listen, to learn, and to empower. And it is only by embracing this mindset that we can create organizations that are truly exceptional, truly efficient, and truly excellent. The primary objective of the ISSB Operational Excellence Framework lies in driving sustained improvements in an organization's overall performance and efficiency, thereby enhancing its long-term sustainability and profitability. This is achieved by creating a culture of continuous improvement, where every individual is empowered to identify areas for improvement and implement sustainable solutions. At its core, operational excellence is centered around the concept of optimizing business processes, eliminating waste, and leveraging technology to drive efficiency, quality, and reliability. It encompasses a holistic approach, focusing on people, process, and technology to create a seamless and efficient value chain. In terms of driving sustained improvements, the key focuses of the ISSB Operational Excellence Framework can be broadly categorized into three main areas. Firstly, operational excellence emphasizes the importance of establishing a robust process architecture, which is critical in driving standardization, repeatability, and reliability. This involves designing and implementing processes that are lean, efficient, and customer-centric, and continuously monitoring and evaluating their effectiveness. By doing so, organizations can eliminate waste, reduce variability, and improve overall productivity. Secondly, the framework places significant emphasis on the development of a high-performing organization, where every individual is empowered to drive improvement. This is achieved through the implementation of a robust training and development program, which equips employees with the necessary skills and knowledge to identify areas for improvement and implement sustainable solutions. Moreover, operational excellence encourages a culture of continuous learning, where individuals are encouraged to share best practices, lessons learned, and innovative ideas. Lastly, operational excellence recognizes the critical role that technology plays in driving efficiency and effectiveness. The framework encourages the adoption of digital technologies, such as automation, artificial intelligence, and analytics, to streamline processes, reduce manual intervention, and improve data-driven decision-making. Moreover, operational excellence promotes the use of data and analytics to measure performance, identify areas for improvement, and track the effectiveness of implemented solutions. In addition to these key focuses, the ISSB Operational Excellence Framework also places emphasis on several other critical elements, including leadership commitment and engagement. Operational excellence requires leadership to be actively involved in driving improvement, setting the tone for the organization, and providing the necessary resources and support. Continuous improvement mindset. The framework encourages a culture of continuous improvement, where every individual is empowered to identify areas for improvement and implement sustainable solutions. Customer-Centricity. Operational excellence is centered around the concept of delivering value to customers, and processes are designed to meet their needs and expectations. Collaboration and communication. The framework promotes collaboration and communication across functions, departments, and levels to ensure that improvement initiatives are aligned and effective. Metrics and performance measurement. Operational excellence emphasizes the importance of establishing a robust performance measurement system, which tracks key performance indicators, KPIs, and measures the effectiveness of improvement initiatives. In conclusion, the ISSB Operational Excellence Framework provides a structured approach to driving sustained improvements in an organization's overall performance and efficiency. By focusing on process optimization, high-performing organization, and technology enablement, and by embracing a culture of continuous improvement, customer centricity, and collaboration, organizations can achieve operational excellence and position themselves for long-term success.